imagine a place where you always want to be. It could be the beaches of the Virgin Islands. It could be Paris, Dubai. It could be anywhere. Just a vacation spot that you always want to go to. So this Neville Goddard technique I'm about to explain to you is very, very easy to do. It's called the teleporting technique. So what you're going to do is imagine a place where you always want to be. It could be the beaches of the Virgin Islands. It could be Paris. It could be Africa, Dubai, the Maldives. It could be anywhere. Just a vacation spot that you always want to go to. Imagine yourself there. Now, before you imagine yourself there, you need to get into a relaxed state. So if you've been stressed all day, don't even try to imagine being there when you're in a tense or stressed state. So you got to relax first. So what you're going to do is go into a quiet room, sit down in a chair like this, take 3 deep breaths, while closing your eyes, and imagine a yellow light beaming down onto your head, all through your whole body, through your arms, through your legs, your feet. Imagine that yellow light. Then after that, take another breath. Just go. Then start breathing like this. And then you should be relaxed. So after you get into a relaxed state, imagine yourself, for instance, on a beach. For me, it's the Virgin Islands. I know I'm going to go there very, very soon. So imagine yourself on the beach of the Virgin Islands. Now you're going to use all your senses. Your taste, your smell, your sight, your hearing, touch. So imagine you listen to the waves of the ocean. Imagine yourself eating your favorite food on the beach. How does your favorite food taste? Then imagine the sand on your skin. Or imagine feeling the wind blowing, the cool wind blowing onto your body. So you're going to do that for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, you're going to imagine yourself teleporting to that place. So what you're going to do is see yourself on the beach. Once you teleport there, you're just going to all of a sudden see yourself laying on the beach. And then start feeling those feelings again. The sand on your skin. Listen to the waves in the ocean. Taste that food that you're eating. And you're going to do that for 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes pass, then you're going to open your eyes. And you're going to have this good feeling just rushing through your body after that. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to do it anymore. And your manifestation will happen. Now, if you thought I brought some value to you in this video, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. I love you guys' comments. Keep commenting. And help this channel get to 10,000 subscribers. We're already there, guys. We're already at 10,000 subscribers. But it's just taking some time to show up in the 3-dimension world. But we're already there, guys. And on that note, peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.